Hi guys, welcome to Honest, Straightforward Reviews, where you get unbiased and unfunded reviews. Hi guys, in this episode we'll be looking at the Lenovo C340 11.6 inch, which runs a Chromebook. Let's get into the pros first. Its price is really reasonable, it's really low and cheap. I bought mine just for $388. It has a solid build, feels really good in the hands and sturdy and isn't too heavy. The battery life is also really good. The keyboards aren't too bad, it's quite comfortable and the travel is really good as well. Typing on it is not too bad. I was really impressed with the amount of ports it's got. It has two USB 3.1 ports, two USB-C ports, one micro SD card slot and an audio jack. It has a 2-in-1 feature that can make it be used as a tablet as well, on top of being a laptop. It has a physical volume button. Let's get into the cons. Weak and low quality speakers, which offset the physical volume button. Tiny screen with bezels being huge, especially the bottom one is weirdly huge and looks really ugly. The screen is also quite dull and the resolution is low. Performance isn't made to do anything special other than web browsing, I think. This is an area that the laptop really takes a hit and it's its weakest point. As a tablet it is okay, but as a laptop it really falls short on everything when compared to a Mac operating system or Windows or Linux. Trackpad feels congested and small and it's really hard to click and use. Small storage in this day and age for a laptop at just 64 gigs. I think they should have started it off at 128. Only has Bluetooth 4.2, which is not a big deal, but still. Verdict time. This laptop is clearly built for a niche market. It's not for everyone. It's not going to satisfy everything, especially if you're looking for a full-fledged laptop. It does not do that. What it does is pretty okay Android device. Personally, I would give this a miss, spend a few more bucks and get yourself a proper Windows laptop or a refurbished MacBook. Thanks guys. Alright guys, that's it from me for today. Let me know what you think about my video in the comments, and if you want to support my work and you like to see more videos, please do subscribe and give me thumbs up. Hope you guys have a great day. Thanks.